Let's look at cattle. Today, let's take a look at feeder cattle and live cattle futures. My name is Trent Klarenbach with Klarenbach Research. Today is April the 23rd, 2025. The first chart up here is the weekly feeder cattle futures chart. It's a weekly time frame. And with the next nearby contract in front, the next contract month in front, the contract with the greatest amount of volume. Each of these candlesticks here represents 1 week time frame. And you can see that once we broke out of this upper trend line, which we had monitoring, we got up this Fibonacci level. We pulled back, found support at the trend line, and now we're breaking out higher. We broke above this fib level at, at 278. Came back and I think found, retested that fib level and this previous breakout. Now the chart is poised to move higher. Well, how much higher can it go? Well, there's really no limit to how high it can go. But if we zoom out and switch over to the monthly chart here, you can see where I use this Fibonacci retracement tool to get some idea where we might find, another level of interest on the high side. So right now we're above this 1.236 fib level. My next level of interest is at 1.414 at 303. So let's say 300, round number. That could be an area of resistance. That's my next level of interest on the bullish side. Above there, then we're talking 330 up at this fib level too. So it really looks like we can get up there. I'm going to go back. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to show another fib level here. I'm going to draw fibs from here down to here, and you can see right now we're testing again for that second time this on the monthly time frame the level of 287. It's another Fibonacci level, 1.618 extension, and as long as we stay above 287, then I'm going to be bullish. If we start trading down below there, then I think then my bullish sentiment is certainly reduced. But right now the chart looks to me like it wants to go higher. So that's telling long position holders in feeder cattle to stay long, ride the trend higher, and see how far it can go. But again, we get trading below 287, then I'll start taking out some. I think it'd be a good time to take off some risk off the table and lock in, some of those numbers, those higher levels. The live cattle futures is also at an interesting level. So I did my Fibonacci tool again here, and I can see that we're approaching, I was trading at 208, so we're approaching 209, so let's say 210, the fib level, 1.618 fib level, where I think it could act as some sort of level of resistance. Now I'll flip back to the weekly chart, and you can see that we could anticipate a slowdown or a possible retracement from this level. It commonly happens. It remains to be seen, but if we get up there, I would start to really, I'd start to get cautious. I'd start to, consider maybe I need to take some risk off the table. I can always go in, enter with another long position above, say, 210. If I lock in some profits here, replace sales with paper above 210, which would be a good strategy. And that's what we're looking at. So we're looking at 210. The market's making new weekly highs, and new highs often lead to new highs. So how far can this go? Well, I think 210 is going to be an area of resistance, I think. And but if we can get above there, then we're looking at 227 all the way up to 240. But first, we need to get above 210 for a sustained period of time. But that's what I'm looking at. 210 is my next level of interest on live cattle futures. It's an area where I'd be looking to start considering some risk management in case the prices pulled back. My name is Trent Klarenbach, sunny in Saskatoon. Life's good.